Good evening, marketing principal students. This is Mrs. Rush, and this is our Monday evening office hours. So before I get started into tonight's presentation, I did want to remind you that Wednesday is going to be our first due date. So make sure you're following the schedule, taking a look at the assignments that you have due, and making sure they are in by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday. Our schedule does an excellent job of outlining the expectation of what assignments you do need to have turned in. Also, if you're having trouble locating the customer complaint project, there's a little screencast video that's posted to the news announcements. Take a look at that. It will show you where that's at. So tonight I'm going to do a presentation on career tech student organizations. Let me see if I can get this pulled up full screen. There we go. Okay. So career and technical student organizations are known as CTSOs, and they are key components to strong CTAE programs. CTSOs integrate into CTAE programs and courses like marketing principles and extend teaching and learning through innovative programs, business and community partnerships, leadership experiences at the school, state, and national level. Here's just a little fact sheet, and this actually comes from South Carolina, but we here in Georgia have many of the same CTSOs that South Carolina does. So just kind of an overview. At the secondary level, CTAE is delivered through comprehensive high schools, career and technology centers that provide supplemental CTAE programs to students within most of the larger school districts. There are including some correctional agencies, juvenile and adult programs operating at special school districts providing secondary CTAE programs, and independent multi-district career centers that provide CTAE programs to students from districts that do not have their own career centers. At the post-secondary level, CTAE is delivered through the state's technical colleges. And the rest of that is specifically about South Carolina. Making an impact. With more than 1.5 million student members combined, CTSOs have a definite impact on students' overall college and career readiness. Students who participate in CTSOs demonstrate higher levels of academic engagement and motivation, civic engagement, career self-efficacy, and employability skills than other students. And the more students participate in CTSO activities, the better the results. According to the National Research Center for Career and Technical Education, participating in leadership and professional development activities in a CTSO raises students' educational aspirations. Students who participate in school organizations in the 10th grade have higher school grade point averages and are more likely to be enrolled in college at age 21 than their peers. There are 9 CTSO student organizations with one common mission, and I'm going to go over each of these in a little bit more detail for you. So we'll start with Business Professionals of America, known as BPA. BPA was founded in 1966 as the Business Professionals of America. There are approximately 43,000 members in over 23,000 chapters in 23 states. BPA is a co-curricular organization that supports business and information technology educators by offering co-curricular exercises based on national standards. We do not have BPA here in Georgia. Deca. Deca was founded in 1946 and is organized into 2 unique student divisions, each with programs designed to address the learning style, interest, and focus of its members. The high school division includes 200,000 members in 3,500 schools. The collegiate division includes over 15,000 members in 275 colleges and universities. Deca is the student organization specifically for marketing students, so you might want to check Deca out at your face-to-face school. We have a very strong Deca program here in Georgia. FBLA, which stands for Future Business Leaders of America. FBLA was founded in 1958. The high school division has 250,000 members, while the post-secondary division reaches over 11,000 college students. The newest group, FBLA Middle Level, is showing remarkable growth with over 20,000 student members. We have a very strong FBLA program as well here in Georgia, and FBLA is for our business, marketing and information technology students. So you might want to check out FBLA at your face-to-face school. FCCLA is the only in-school student organization with family as its central focus. Today, 200,000 members and over 5,500 chapters are active in networks of associations in all 50 states, including the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico, and was founded in 1948. So FCCLA is for your teaching as a profession and your food nutrition students. FFA, the National FFA Organization, formerly known as the Future Farmers of America, envisions a future in which all agriculture education students will discover their passions and build on that interest to chart a course for their education, careers, and personal futures. Today, there are over 600,000 FFA members aged 12 to 21 in over 7,700 chapters in all 50 states, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. FFA was founded back in 1928. Educators Rising was founded in 1937 and is a member of the PDK International Family of Associations. It's an international student organization dedicated to supporting young people interested in education-related careers. Skills USA was founded in 1965 and is an applied method of instruction for preparing America's high-performance workers in public, career, and technical programs. Skills USA serves more than 300,000 students and instructors annually. The organization has 13,000 school chapters in 54 states and in 54 state and territorial associations. There are more than 14,500 instructors and administrators who are professional members of Skills USA. HOSA, Future Health Professionals, founded in 1976, HOSA, Future Health Professionals, formerly Health Occupation Students of America, which is where it got HOSA, provides a unique program of leadership development, motivation, and recognition exclusively for secondary, post-secondary, adult, and collegiate students enrolled in health care science education programs. HOSA has over 4,000 secondary and post-secondary collegiate members. Back in 14-15, that has grown tremendously, and we do have a very strong HOSA program here in Georgia. TSA stands for Technology Student Association, was founded in 1978 and is a national organization devoted exclusively to the needs of students interested in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Open to young people enrolled in or who have completed technology education courses like engineering. TSA membership includes more than 200,000 middle and high school students in 200,000 middle and high school students in 2,000 schools spanning 48 states. I don't know which two don't have TSA. So employability skills. Employability skills supports the 21st century skills, and CTSO programs and activities were developed to help support the 21st century skills such as collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and creativity. They prepare future leaders, and CTSO programs and activities provide students with opportunities to assume leadership roles and encourage them to be active citizens. There are many business partnerships associated with our CTSOs. Career and student organizations engage business and industry at the national, state, and local levels. This involvement shows educators and students alike that businesses care about their future and help ensure that education experiences are aligned to the needs of business. Among the 9 CTSOs, there's more than 1,000 businesses that are actively involved in a variety of ways. Some of the CTSO's major partners are shown in the graphic below, and they include things like Walgreens, Microsoft, Hilton, Geico, Cargill, John Deere, just to name a few. So in summary, needless to say, CTSOs are impactful on a student's life. CTSOs provide relevant, engaging programs that improve student achievement, reduce dropout rates, and help students discover the wide range of career options available. CTSOs engage the community and local businesses to help students understand global competition and chart effective and efficient pathways through high school and post-secondary education for their personal success. CTSO programs such as industry-based competitive events and community service provide students with the opportunity to develop 21st century skills focused on creativity, problem solving, teamwork, and goal setting. CTSO programs and activities provide students with opportunities to assume leadership roles and encourage them to be active citizens. CTSOs bring relevance to the classroom and prepare students to be college and career ready. And I certainly hope that you will check out the CTSO at your face-to-face schools, especially if they have a Deca or FBLA program. So that's all my presentation tonight. I will be hanging out here until 6 p.m. in case anybody stops by and has some questions. But if you're listening to this as a recording, thank you very much and have a wonderful week. And I just did that whole thing without turning on my microphone. Yeah. Maybe Screencast-O-Matic's mic picked up.